Claude just got a watermark. But nobody added a hidden symbol, buried a secret note in the code, or stamped made by AI in ink you can't see. Nothing was added to the text at all. And yet a detector can read a page Claude wrote and tell a machine wrote it. So where is the watermark hiding if it isn't in the letters? Let's crack that puzzle, one piece at a time. To feel why this is hard, picture a photo. One image holds millions of tiny color dots, and you can nudge a few a hair brighter. Your eye misses it. A computer doesn't. That's how image watermarks work. Lots of quiet room to hide. Text has none of that room. If Claude writes the capital of France as Paris, you can't swap Paris for London to sneak in a signal. Now you're just wrong. Change one word, and you can break the whole meaning. So the watermark has to live somewhere else. Here's the door it slips through. When Claude writes, it doesn't plan a whole sentence. It adds one small piece at a time, called a token. A token is a word, or a chunk of one. Say it wrote the movie was really, and needs the next word. Inside, it scores every option. Good scores high, great a bit lower, interesting lower still. Then it turns those scores into odds. Good near 50%, great near 30. And the key, it doesn't always grab the top word. It rolls a weighted dice. That wobble of freedom is the hiding spot. So the watermark steps in right at that dice roll. Anthropic's system holds a secret key. A private number you, the user, never see. It blends that key with the last few words Claude just wrote. Feed the same words and the same key in, and you always get the same thing out. A number they call a seed. Same input, same seed, every time. Keep a grip on that word repeatable. In 2 minutes, it becomes the whole trick. Using that seed, the system quietly hands every candidate word a tiny secret score. Keep it simple. Say the score is a 1 or a 0, a thumbs up or a thumbs down. In the research paper, it's called a G value. Now, careful. People flip this around. A thumbs up does not mean the word is better writing. It doesn't even mean great, always earns a 1. Move to a different spot in the sentence, and the same word can turn into a 0. The score isn't about good English. It's about matching a secret pattern. So does it just force out whatever word has a thumbs up? No. Here's the smart part. It runs a tiny tournament. First, it draws a handful of candidate words using Claude's own odds. So good, being likely, shows up a lot, and nonsense words barely show up. Then it pairs them off, like a sports bracket. In each match, thumbs up beats thumbs down. Ties get a coin flip. Winners move up, round after round, until one word is left standing. That survivor is what Claude writes down. But won't nudging every word ruin the writing? Here's why it doesn't. Back to the capital of France is, Claude is about 99.9% sure it's Paris. Every candidate in that tournament is basically Paris. So Paris wins, and the watermark has nowhere to push. But the tool was really useful, helpful, handy, practical. A pile of equally good words. When the model is torn like that, the watermark has room to steer, and no reader could tell. The rule is neat. The more unsure the model, the more the watermark can hide. Now jump ahead. Someone hands the detector a page. No labels, no hidden marks, just plain words. How could it know? It has the same secret key, so it walks the text word by word. At each spot, it takes the words leading up, stirs in the key, and rebuilds the exact same seed. Same input, same result. From that, it recreates the thumbs up or down for every word that appeared. Then it asks one blunt question. Did these words land on thumbs up far more often than chance should allow? Because a person writing alone has no clue what the key is. Their words split roughly 50-50, up and down. Watermark text leans hard toward thumbs up. That lean is the entire signal. So it's a statistics test, not a stamp. Never a flat yes or no. A short note can match by dumb luck, a false alarm. And a watermarked page someone fully rewrites loses the signal for good. It also goes faint on cold facts and on code, where there's only one right way to say it. So here's the answer. The watermark was never in the letters. It lives in the choices. Thousands of tiny, invisible decisions about which word comes next, each one quietly tilted by a secret pattern. Anthropic is rolling this out from August 2026, partly to meet Europe's new AI transparency rules. It carries zero information about you, doesn't slow the model down or cost a cent more, and a public detection tool is on the way. The idea traces back to Google DeepMind's SynthID, published in Nature in 2024. which leaves one honest, slightly eerie truth to sit with. The proof that a machine wrote something isn't buried inside the words at all. It's in the road not taken, the thousands of other words it could have chosen, and quietly didn't. So next time you read a clean, ordinary paragraph, ask yourself, what if the real fingerprint is in the choices you'll never get to see?